you so much, Pastor, for your speech. But also, I have some problem to ask you. So, have you a problem or challenge or request that you want to sharing with us?
Murakoze cyane ariko kandi nubwo twagize inyungu nyinshi
Thank you so much again. But even though we have a lot of positive impact,
hari aho twagiye tugenda duhura n'imbogamizi.
we face also with some challenge.
Imbogamizi ya mbere ni uko umubare w'imashini dufite ari nkeya.
The first challenge is about the number of sewing machines. We have a small number. We don't have enough number of sewing machines.
N'imbogamizi ya kabiri ni uko tudafite imashini zijyanye n'igihe.
So secondly, even though the sewing machines doesn't equal with the number of students, but also we need another kind of machines because we need to make different clothes.
N'imbogamizi ya gatatu ni uko uburyo bwo kugira ngo izi mashini tuzicungire umutekano rimwe na rimwe hari igihe guhemba nk'umuzamu nabyo hari igihe bitugora rimwe na rimwe.
So as we see, this sewing machine needs a lot of security. So we don't have money to pay for security guard who can keep the security of this sewing machine in the night.
N'imbogamizi duhura nayo hari igihe duhura n'ikibazo cyo kutabona ibitambaro.
Another challenge is the lack of enough material like this kind of different kind of gloves like this and this.
Muri make imbogamizi tugira muri rusange nizo.
So I think that this is, in summary, this is some challenge that we are struggling with.
Tukaba twarangiza tubashimira uburyo mukomeza kudusengera.
So at the end, I would like to thank you so much for your help, your prayer, and everything. So thank you, Pastor. So I want to ask you if you have something to say to Yego team, Denmark, Aibel, and so on. So they are saying thank you for giving them sewing machine. Oh.